The more assets you have, the more money you can make. These are the 10 fundamental assets that can make you rich and wealthy in 2025. These aren't just theories. They're backed by facts, examples, and strategies that successful people are already using. Make sure you are focused till the end. You won't want to miss any of these assets. Subscribe the Wealthy channel and let's quickly get started. Number 1. Cash. Cash might seem ordinary, but it's one of the most versatile assets in the financial world. While keeping money in a savings account won't outpace inflation, the ultra-rich know its true power lies in liquidity. Having cash reserves allows you to seize your dream opportunities instantly. Apple reportedly holds over $150 billion in cash reserves, enabling it to invest in innovation and acquisitions on demand. Peer-to-peer lending is another avenue where cash earns higher returns, often between 7% to 20% compared to traditional bank rates. Keep an emergency fund and an opportunity fund. One secures you during crises, and the other empowers you to act when lucrative deals arise. Number 2. Attention, the new currency. Let me ask you, where does your attention go daily? Netflix? Instagram Reels? Here's the reality. Your attention is someone else's income. Companies like Meta and TikTok made billions in 2023 by monetizing your screen time. Now think about this. What if you flipped the script and monetized your attention? What if your wealth could grow even while you sleep and your peace of mind never wavered? Instead of endlessly scrolling, dedicate just 1 hour a day to consuming high-value content, financial education videos, learning about AI tools, or mastering productivity systems. Imagine how much further ahead you'll be by the end of 2025. Number 3. Mutual funds. Instead of investing directly in one stock or bond, you pool your money with others and let professionals handle it. It's a bit like hiring a master chef to prepare your meal instead of cooking with trial and error. The secret to wealth is simple. Find a way to do more with less effort. Company stocks allow you to purchase shares in a company one by one, but mutual funds bring multiple companies together, so you're buying into the entire basket of companies as a whole. You don't need a huge salary or deep market knowledge, just discipline and consistency. Think about it. Would you rather let your money sleep in a bank or work hard for you? You can start small, stay consistent, and watch your dreams come to life. Number 4. Real estate, the timeless investment. This is a classic one. Whether it's buying a rental property, flipping homes, or even owning farmland, this is one of the safest wealth-building assets. Now think about this. What if instead of buying a new car every 5 years, you invested that $30,000 in real estate? Over time, you'd have an appreciating asset generating passive income. Don't just buy a house to live in. Own real estate that works for you. Look into real estate investment trusts if you're starting small. Even $1,000 can get you in the game. Number 5. Online businesses. Low investment, high reward. Picture this. You wake up, check your phone, and see you've made $200 while sleeping. That's the magic of an online business. Turning your hobby, like baking, photography, or writing, into an online business. What's stopping you? The tools are there. You just need to take the leap. Whether it's drop shipping, content creation, or selling digital products, starting an online venture has never been easier. E-commerce is projected to hit $8.1 trillion in revenue by 2026. Why not grab a slice of that pie? Start small, but start now. The online world is an ocean of opportunities. Let the internet work for you. Number 6. Dividend stocks, your monthly paycheck. Wealthy people don't just work for money. They make money work for them. One way? Dividend stocks. Companies like Coca-Cola and Johnson & Johnson have been paying dividends for decades, even during recessions. If you invest $100,000 in dividend stocks yielding 4%, you could earn $4,000 a year or $333 monthly, enough to cover recurring expenses. The best part? This income grows if you reinvest and choose dividend growth stocks. Don't just invest for capital gains. Invest for cash flow. Dividends are like a paycheck from your investments. What if your monthly paycheck wasn't tied to your boss but to the decisions you make today? That's the kind of wealth that truly liberates. Number 7. Cryptocurrencies, the risky but rewarding asset. Crypto, the asset everyone loves to debate. But as we check the facts, Bitcoin has been the best performing asset of the last decade. Investing even $100 in Bitcoin during its early days could have made you a millionaire. While it's riskier than other assets, it's also a frontier for massive innovation. Invest cautiously, but don't ignore the potential of blockchain technology. Always diversify within crypto. Number 8. Precious metals, the ultimate safe haven. The world economy shakes, inflation spikes, and currencies lose their value. What stays steady? Precious metals like gold and silver. These aren't just shiny objects, they're historical powerhouses of value. For thousands of years, gold has been the ultimate form of wealth preservation. Robert Kiyosaki writes in Rich Dad, Poor Dad, "Gold is real money. Everything else is just a promise." During the 2008 financial crisis, gold prices skyrocketed, providing relief to those who invested early. By holding gold or silver, you're not just saving, you're safeguarding your future against the unknown. It's not just about wealth, it's about certainty in an uncertain world. Number 9. Stock and bonds. Stocks give you ownership in a company, meaning when businesses like Apple or Amazon thrive, so do you. Bonds, on the other hand, are like lending money to a government or corporation, and in return you earn interest, a predictable, steady stream of income. Together, they form a powerful combo for building long-term wealth. Stocks offer exponential returns if you're willing to play the long game, while bonds act as your safety net during market downturns. For example, during the tech boom, patient investors in Microsoft or Google saw their wealth multiply many times over. On the flip side, bonds shielded investors from severe losses during the 2008 financial crisis. What if your wealth could grow even while you sleep and your peace of mind never wavered? Number 10. Brand and goodwill. A brand is not just a logo or a name. It's the emotional connection and reputation you build with your audience. Goodwill, on the other hand, is the reputation you've cultivated over time. It's the trust and loyalty customers feel toward your brand. Consider brands like Amazon or Patagonia. Their goodwill comes from how they treat customers and their communities. This isn't just about having a good product. It's about aligning values, trust, and meaningful relationships. While a brand brings people in, goodwill ensures they keep coming back. It's the secret sauce for sustainable growth and success. Since you are watching till here, I am giving you 2025 bonus right now, with one most powerful asset, which is people. People are the heartbeat of any successful venture. Investing in your relationships, building a strong team, and understanding that your business is ultimately about serving and empowering others. In Start With Why, Simon Sinek explores how businesses with a deep sense of purpose, built around the value of people, can create loyal, passionate followings. Behind every thriving business is a powerful community of people working toward a shared goal. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Create a vision board for 2025. A clear vision attracts wealth like a magnet. The ultimate question is, what assets will you start building today? I'm dedicated to helping you achieve financial freedom through right knowledge. If this video resonated with you, like it, share it with others, and subscribe for more wisdom. Thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.